Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra gets its first green line update. Just a few hours ago, a Twitter user posted something that instantly grabbed attention. He shared a photo claiming that he had received a gift from the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and that so-called gift was a green line update. Yes, this new Twitter post suggested that the Galaxy S26 Ultra is now facing the infamous green line display issue. So the big question is this green line issue actually real or not? Stay tuned till the end of this video, because I'm going to give you complete information about what's really going on.
Pre-orders for the Galaxy S26 Ultra are officially live now. If you use my purchase links, you can unlock some serious savings. Get up to $900 in trade-in credit or $150 off even without a trade-in. On top of that, use the code PAYPAL50 to save an additional $50, plus receive an extra $30 credit. You'll find the purchase links and full details down below in the description.
Now here's where things get interesting. Under the same tweet, another user added important context. He clarified that the original source is actually an Instagram video. This ex-user Ahmad took that original clip, captured screenshots from it, and then digitally added a green line on the phone's display. After editing the image, it was circulated online to make it look like the Galaxy S26 Ultra is suffering from a display defect. But in reality, that is completely false. Let's be very clear, this green line is completely fake. If you have ever faced a real green line issue before, or even seen it in real life or authentic photos, you can instantly recognize the difference. The moment you look closely at this viral image, it becomes obvious that it does not match how a genuine hardware green line appears on a display. In fact, another user posted on X that this is the fakest green line he has ever seen. He even mentioned that this ex-user Ahmad experienced green line issues on devices like the Samsung Galaxy S21, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Google Pixel 6, and the ROG Phone 2. So yes, this is indeed fake. He confidently stated that this viral image is indeed fake. So as of now, there is absolutely no verified evidence that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is facing any green line display issue. This appears to be nothing more than an edited image being used to spread misinformation and create unnecessary hype. So that's the truth behind this viral green line claim. As of now, there's no confirmed issue on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Don't believe every edited screenshot you see online. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.